Hello, in front of me I have TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart this device. Alright, so we have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reboot from the power menu. And this method is of course recommended when the phone works properly, it's not lagging, and everything is fine. To do it, we need to open up the power menu, so let's hold the power button, just like that, and now all you need to do now is to tap on the restart button. Then tap again, and within a few seconds, the phone will be turned on automatically and ready to use again. But we also have the method called the force restart. It's our second method, and this method is recommended when the phone is frozen, lagged, and basically when it's not working properly. To do it, we need to use the two-button combination. We need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Don't worry that you should have taken a screenshot, sometimes it happens. Simply hold both of the buttons. Now the screen went black, now we can release our fingers, and now within a few seconds the phone will be turned on automatically, just like in the previous method, and then ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.